Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. As you know, we are again starting our online classes. So, starting from the topic 4.2.6, physical. In the physical classes, as I have given you all the information and discussed about the topic, previous topics. Fine. Now we are going to start from 4.2.6. That is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. First of all, you know what is prokaryotic and what is eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells, those cells that do not have a true nucleus. Pro means false or not true nucleus, whereas the U means eukaryotic. U means those having true nucleus. Remember that prokaryotic cells are much simpler than the eukaryotic cells. Fine, for that reason they have also shared a diagram over here of the prokaryotic cell. It is very simple. The cell wall is over here, cell membrane is here, chromosome, DNA. They do have the DNA, but they do not have the true nucleus, and the flagellum is over here. Now look at the differences. Nucleus, first major difference from the nucleus. In the eukaryotic cells, they have a prominent nucleus bounded by nuclear envelope. As we know about the nucleus, we have studied in detail the structure. While prokaryotic cells do not have any prominent nucleus, their chromosome only consists of DNA and it floats in the cytoplasm. This region is called nucleide. If we talk about the region, it is called as nucleide in prokaryotes. Other organelles. Eukaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, while such membrane-bounded organelles are not at all present in the prokaryotic cells. The ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are larger in size as compared to the ribosomes of prokaryotic cells. Size. The eukaryotic cells are on average 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Cell wall. The cell wall of eukaryotic cells is made of cellulose in plants or chitin in fungi. Fine. All the prokaryotic cells have cell wall which is made up of peptidoglycan, that is a polymer of amino acids and sugar. Now what you have to do, you have to prepare this question very thoroughly. Fine. Make the differences, write down the differences and prepare it. Also help practice the diagram of a prokaryotic cell. Thank you.